Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, and I'm going to show you how to work your way around this brand new platform called Eyeslick, because it's pretty amazing. First of all, I recommend, because this is in pre-launch and I've asked Cindy to make it smaller. If you press Control and the minus key, which is next to your numerical pad at the right hand side of your computer, there's a plus and a minus sign. Control minus, make the screen smaller, then you can see what's underneath here. Look, okay, this is a scroll thing here that you can scroll down and see who else is on. Otherwise all you see is that screen and you haven't got a clue that's there. There is also a little scroll thing here, so if I want somebody in business, so I'm just doing a search for you. So if I want to learn about sales, you go, it's not working, it's not working. But yes, it is. Scroll down, look. Now, you can see who you want to, is that, I don't know. Okay, so you choose the channel. And then you can scroll down a little bit more. This is a very important key. Then you can, online affiliate marketer, definitely want to be his friend because that's the same, it's the same niche as me. So he's doing an introduction and I'm going to be going live at such and such and such and such, and then you can get people to pay you for your live videos. So let's try education and IT. So again, you think nothing's happening because if you haven't, all you can see is the big dark navy blue screen unless you minimize your screen. So you think this doesn't work, but yes, it does. Okay, so you scroll down again, and even the great John Crestani's on here, and he's one of the top ones, isn't he? So you view the channel, and then you can press the focus key. So then you're going to get anytime that they are online or they put a new video, I'm assuming that you will get notified. So if you want to update your channel, you can add a new video just by uploading one here. I'm just giving you a basic overview at the moment. Profile setting, channel settings is the one I wanted to show you as well. So you choose your name. So if you want to share your channel with anybody, that's what you have to do. Share it or copy and paste it somewhere. You put your channel title in there and what your speciality is. So my channel is in the education bit, but it's communication, information, and I've put languages where I might change that. Then, because I can speak fluent French and good German, you can get paid just for speaking in English to somebody. You know what I mean? So you can put your $2 a minute here, and you can. So if I wanted to go online at midday tomorrow, so you would choose. Let's see if I can do this. GMT Monday. If I can put online at 12, yeah, but you don't know whether it's 12 AM, which is in the middle of the night. So let's do 12:30. 12:30. Come on, Di. 12:30. 12:30 Monday. So I'm going to go live at 12:30 tomorrow, just because I can. So if somebody notices that and they've clicked on me, they will see my online trainings. So I might just do a, hey guys, welcome to my channel, and see what happens. So then you save everything and you're updated. So with your payments, you put your PayPal in there. With your mess, in fact, you can send messages from here, look. So if you press the focus button on several people and you want to send them a message, Jamie, I haven't said hello to him yet, so I'm going to go, hi, hello, hello, Eyeslick person, let's connect on this exciting platform. So that's it for this video. I can't spell platform. Short, sweet, and send it. Short, sweet, and to the point. If you've got any other questions, let me know. Send me a message and I'll do you another video, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.